2, 3, like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then put 2 blocks in the front like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do that for all the sides. All right. You can make it, you know what, let's make it 2 blocks longer. No, actually, never mind. You guys can if you want, just then it won't work as well. So count 1, 2. Now put your main driver's seat right here. And by the way, we're still working on the fuselage. It'll be like maybe 5 minutes, I don't know. Now for this part, go to material, change it to glass. And then you should have a canopy looking like that. And you can color it any way you want, but I would recommend how I'm coloring it because I think it looks best personally. You can change it, I don't care. I ain't controlling you. Now place the wedges 1 by 2, something like this. And not the corner wedge, the triangle wedge, 1 by 2. Place that in all 4 corners. Make sure it looks something like that. Like this. It should look something like that. Use pyramid wedge. Pyramid wedge, not 1 by 2 or 1 by 3 or 1 by 4 or 1 by 5, just pyramid wedge. Place that at the front. It should look something like that. Now delete all these corners of your jet. You may be thinking, why would you do that? Why don't you just build fuselage start like that? I don't know. It just feels easier. I don't know about you. All right. And now place wedges like this on all 4 sides. Repeat what I'm doing. 1 second. Like so. Okay. Now you should have a nice fuselage for your jet. So now, time to start the wings. So start from around here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5. Now do this. Wait, actually, yeah, this. Wait, I forgot, sorry. Like this. Okay. Same to the other side. Now you should have something looking like that. It can fly right now if you add something, but now you want to delete these 2 and place 2 on top like this. Choose your delta wing, point them like that, and then do 1 by 4. Place them right in front of these. Now you have a nice jet fuselage thing. And now we raise it up. Delete these 2 and all of these. Go to the gears and then select landing gear. Place them inside these holes facing forwards. Should look something like that. Now delete these until you find the pilot seat. Sorry, my computer was messing up. Oh no, my bad. Press 1, 2. Now use super rocket engines. Place them until they, place them until it looks like something like that. Something like this. Alright, so you can test if it flies. I'll do that real quick. But it's not done yet. We're still going to build some for the wings. So as you can see, it can fly pretty well. But we're not done. So take control surface 1 by 2. Place them like so. Do the same for each side. Now you have something looking like this. I know it looks bad, but if you want it to fly, it has to look like this. I'm sorry. Now it's time to get to the tricky. That was the hardest part, by the way. And 1, 2, 1, 2. And then for this wing, delete this and this. Place a block right about there and there. Wings, control surface, make it to the 1 by 1. And then you should have something looking like that. Back to gears, get the rocket, swing them around looking like that. Make the front part connect to that and the back hanging off. Nice. Now you have the fighter jet without its paint. So for this tutorial, I'm not going to paint. I'll recommend, well, actually, you know what, I will. I'd recommend like a dark green color, something like this. But for mine, I call it the Blue Thunder, so I'm going to paint it blue. You can go along with me. Wrong color, sorry. Now just color that fully. Most people would have logged off by now, but if you're still here, congratulations. That helps a lot to our channel. And credits to Lance in the background. My name is Miles, by the way. And so, yeah. Well, credits to my cameraman. And, yeah. Let's just finish up this. Color all the landing gears like this. Just fill it all up. And if you hold down your mouse, you can just move it around and it'll paint it. That's what I'm doing right now. That's why I'm painting so fast. And now I'll paint that block. And now I'll paint that. Alright, it's finished. Go fly around and kill people. Have fun. Have fun with your brand new fighter jet. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and thank you a lot. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.